Hey guys, क्या हालचाल नया दिन नई शुरुआत. So yes, today we will be learning about the rapid revision notes of how do you have a quick recap and how do you learn about quickly in just few hours or few minutes about regulatory affairs and quality assurance. So yes, regulatory affairs may you need to know about the different filing applications like NDA, ANDA, INDA, investigational new drug and abbreviated new drug, what is bioequivalence, what is in vivo in vitro correlation, what is a dissolution media, right? You need to know about the different types of dossier preparation techniques. Like you need to know about the common technical documents, CTD and ECTD. What is a hybrid NDA and all. Everything is to be done on priority basis. And what are the components? Like what is CMC, chemistry manufacturing controls. So what are the different parts? What are the things that are to be included within that dossier? Then IPR, you need to know about patents, copyright, trademarks, geographical indications, the Patents Act 1970, Copyright Act 1957, Trademarks Act 1999. So you need to know about the different acts, the industrial designs, examples. Like they will give if a logo or symbol is being stolen. What is it? So it is in the Trademarks Act. If a person has found a new process for producing cheese, it comes under patent. So those kind of applicative based questions you can expect, and the duration like 20 years or how many years it lasts for. Validation parameters for pharmaceutical analysis or quality assurance. So there are different validation parameters like linearity, accuracy, robustness and ruggedness, intermediate precision, repeatability, reproducibility, right? Accuracy, you know the difference between accuracy and precision, that if it is closeness between the measured value and true value, or is it a difference, or is it a closeness of two measurements? And if it's intra laboratory or if it's intra analyst, what kind of precision it is? So those kind of questions are usually asked. Then different types of standard solution like potassium dichromate is used for what kind of standardization and all. So those could be asked possibly, right? Hatch-Waxman Act. So it is a Orange Book related act. So it is also called as Drug Price Control and Patent Term Restoration Act. So Drug Price Control and Patent Term Restoration Act is basically very useful because it gives information about all the generic drugs. So make sure that you have an idea about this. Then concepts of QBD and DOE. So you need to know what is design of experiments, what is 1 factorial, 2 factorial design, 3 factorial, like what is levels, factors, parameters. So there are certain extraneous variables or confounding variables that leads to an experimental disturb. So that is why we perform DOE to get an idea. So we get a Pareto chart, we get Bonferroni limit, right? We get fishbone analysis. We perform Ishikawa fishbone diagram, right? That is a diagram. Ishikawa fishbone analysis. So this is all very important. And QBD, you need to know about what is QTPP, quality target product profile, what is CQA, critical quality attributes, what is CPP, critical process parameter, CMA, critical material attributes. Difference between CMA and CQA, because there is a very different, because one deals with the identity, purity, and other characteristics or peculiarities, and other deals with all the different timings and all. So you need to know the difference between them, then product life cycle and all. So just have an idea about it that. Then SPC, statistical process controls, what is SPC and all. So these are most frequently asked questions. And risk management system, RMS. So you need to know about ICH guidelines अच्छे से, quality guidelines, at least quality guidelines Q1 to Q14 you must know. Then stability zones for ICH, which one is tropical, temperate, Mediterranean, hot and dry, hot and humid, and what are the different conditions like accelerated stability condition, long term, short term. Those could be asked. So this is very important portion from RA and QA. Rest I've made a separate video on RA and QA, so you can have a look at on my channel. And that's it for today's video. I hope it's been insightful for you and it will help you to crack GPAT. And these are the topics, whatever I've discussed today. This is the last video for this quick pharma revision. So I hope that these all 14 videos were of help to you. Make sure that in topics, the videos that I've mentioned, make sure you cover everything, all the points that I mentioned over there, because those are very common and very frequently asked. And trust me, उतना भी करके जाओगे, at least आपका GPAT will be qualified if you cover those topics what I've mentioned. And if you want to get a good rank, study them in detail, and it's all upon your hard work. So that's it for today's video.